To clean up storage on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate to the device care right here, and then we can go into the storage. Now inside you will find many different options to clean your phone. So first of all, you can click on show more. That way you will find categories showing you how much space they actually take. So for example, there's videos that take 2.25 gigabytes on my phone. So we can click on it and then see which of the files take most of the space and try to get rid of them. So we can just click and hold it and then delete it right here. And you can do this basically with each and every file type, or for the apps you need to click on them and then uninstall unwanted apps. Then let's scroll down, and here we can find large files. So you can select this and that way delete any files that seem to be too large in space. So for example, we have over 800 megabytes files. We can select them and then remove them. This is a great way to free up some space. Also, there's duplicate files, so if you have photos that are basically duplicates, you'll be able to remove them right here as well. And you can clean up your trash and see unused apps. That means the apps that you haven't opened for at least 30 days. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.